Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Trading with Jackie. I'm Jackie Panetta. So today's video is a couple of things real quick. I'm doing an update video. So it's been a minute since I did a video because I was sick, y'all. Caught a leg infection, and then I was out for like a week and a half or something like that. I couldn't do nothing. I couldn't trade, couldn't focus, couldn't do nothing. So, and it actually happened that same weekend. That last video I did, I got sick that weekend right before the Nadex competition started. So I did not get a chance to do the Nadex competition, but I saw the newsletters and stuff, and I was like, some people are turning 10 grand into 90 grand in a day off of Nadex. I'm like, what? I'm not knocking the hustle. I mean, if they can do it, they can do it. But I'm like, dang, I wish I was that good. I'm sitting up here happy. Y'all hear me? I'm sitting up here happy with like 200-300. They talking about 60 grand in a day. Wow. But anyway, so I didn't get a chance to do that. So that also put me back on any other challenges I was going to start. FTMO, that was like my last week of the challenge. And because I didn't take the final trade to put it in positive, I messed that one up. I'm like, oh, man, it was just bad timing for everything. So anyway, so that's why I was down and out. So I'm back now. Everything's better. And I just kind of got to keep it moving. But what y'all see on your screen right now is a indicator that I've been hype about for so long, and it's finally been released. It's called AIRO. That's AIRO. And this indicator, man, there's 7 different strategies that you could use to trade it, but I'm utilizing 3 of them, 3 or 4. All right, but as you can see, look what I'm testing. I'm trading S&P 500, y'all. And this is I'm actually demo testing a new broker. This is Osprey FX. It was recommended to me to check them out, and I'm liking it. First and foremost, I'm liking the commission, and the spread is nice. Okay, so with that being said, y'all, let's get into the trades I took today off of the AIRO indicator. So I did these in a session. This is actually a live trade on right now that I took. I'm actually doing a little bit of a test, see what's up. But here we go. These are the actual live trades that I took on AIRO. This is off of a $100 account, as you can see. Okay, I'm trying to told y'all I got that compound plan where you take $100 and you turn it into 6 figures. And one of the reasons why it was a little harder for me to do it before is because I was utilizing AIRO wedge alerts, and then the market changed and the wedge alerts were hitting a little differently. And then if you manually trade, and you gotta have multiple strategies, and then I went to like Fibonacci retracement, and too many things going on. So when this indicator came out, I was actually part of the test group for it. When this indicator came out, I was like, yo, can we get this, and how soon? Because I ain't gotta look at the charts all day. Okay, I ain't gotta look at the charts all day. All I gotta do is wait for an alert. Okay, wait for an alert, bounce, arrow, go. Okay, that's all I gotta do. So this thing is so easy, anybody can do it. You're a beginner trader, you can do it. Advanced trader, compound your positions, whatever you want to do. That's how easy this indicator is. And I'm showing you all this because I was trying to find the easiest way to trade the indices. So I was doing S&P 500 today. I did Dow Jones, I do NASDAQ and gold. And you could do currency pairs. If you're a brand new trader, by the way, start with currency pairs and then move your way up as you become more experienced or whatever. But yeah, so I did that. So let's look at the trades today. So I actually created this account today. All right, it was for $100 I put in there, and here you go. All buys. Okay, S&P 500, 4 positions. Okay. The reason You see the lot size, 0.01. All right, off of a $100 account. That was sufficient. Look at what I made. Now you're gonna be looking at me like, oh, $2? That ain't nothing. Whatever. Okay. Let me tell y'all something. I started it off at $100. I'm ending with $20. I made $20 a day. You gonna be like, $20 ain't nothing. Well, guess what? Off of a $100 account, that's 20% in a day. Okay? So, you want to look at this? Let's talk about it in pips. That's 28.4 pips. 27.4 pips. That's what that is. Another 27.4 pips. This is 100.4 pips. This is 20 pips. Alright? I did 201 pips. 200.1 pips today. You saying off of a $100 account, you're like, oh, that's only $20. Okay, well, a $1,000 account, that's $200. $10,000 account, that's $2,000, and so on and so forth. Okay, you mean I'm trying to show you all this because you mean to tell me if you can't master this technique, you can't go get you a funded account somewhere where they want to give you like 50 grand, 25 grand, 100 grand, and then do this? Now you're gonna be laughing at that kind of money? No, you wouldn't, right? I'm just showing y'all how it worked. So, first of all, this indicator you got to get a subscription to. That's the other thing. This is not no one-time fee thing. You got to have a subscription to the indicator. Alright, but bounce, arrow, go. You see the arrow, check for the bounce off the zone, go. That's all you need to do. Do I need to say it again? I'll say it again. Arrow appears, you get the alert, bounce from a zone, price bounce off the zone, go. That's all you got to do. That's it. Nothing else. Have a nice day. Catch a piss. Move out. When you want to compound like the way I did, those are multiple other strategies. Okay? But I just wanted to show y'all how it worked. That was off of S&P. Here's the gold one right here. Gold was a sell, right? It was, let me see what time I took that. This is 11:05. I believe that's this one. Let me check, double check. No, it's 9:30. I think it was this one. Yeah, here we go. This one right here. That is a bounce from a zone. So you had this arrow that came first, and then this is the second arrow, so you can catch more pips a little bit. Came down here, got down, formed the low of the day, and bold, bounced out. That's it. Bounce, arrow, go. And then look at it, going back up. Here's the first one going back up. Bounce, arrow, go. You even get a second arrow to come follow you out. That's it. Easy. Easy. I just didn't catch that one. But it's easy. 200 pips in a day, y'all. Come on, yo. Come on. We serious about this trading, so let's get serious. Alright? So, that's a quick video on it. I'm in a trade right now. Like I said, I'm testing this actually strategy that I'm doing. It's an additional strategy with this bounce, arrow, go. So, we're going to test that and see how that work out. But in the meantime, y'all already saw it, 200 pips. I actually don't need to trade this. And y'all know, in my compound plan, you only need 75 pips in a what? In a week. And I just did 200 pips in a day. So I technically don't have to trade again for the rest of the month. So anyway, that's the rest. That's the end of this video. I just wanted to give y'all an update, and then I wanted to introduce y'all to AIRO. If you are interested in this indicator, you are going to want to hit the link in the description box, or hit me up on Telegram. I'm going to put my username in Telegram for more information. If you want to ask me a little bit more about this indicator, I'll be happy to provide that information to you. If you just want to be like me on certain things, you just want to go ahead and get the indicator, you can. Let's see. I'll make sure I put that link in the description box. Alright. That's it. You know, that's AIRO. Oh, look at that. Boom. Got another one. And this is a buy off of the M15. Okay. I mean, M5. My bad. And that is what? Dow Jones. Bounce, arrow, go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, y'all. Y'all take care. And I'll talk to y'all later with another video. Bye.